Hello friends, could you believe you can make yogurt in air fryer and how easy it is? Air fryer yogurt sets faster than instant pot and oven. Instant pot takes around 7 to 8 hours, whereas with air fryer it's going to be around 5 hours only. So easy, foolproof and very handy. Let's get started. First add little yogurt starter in a bowl. Mix the yogurt. Helps with faster fermentation. Add warm milk. Mix yogurt and milk well. Check my video for yogurt making tips. This is my oven type air fryer with trays. No need of trays for yogurt making. Drip pan is enough. You can as well make yogurt in two bowls by stacking instead of big bowl. Make sure about the size to fit properly in air fryer with empty bowls. One bowl of yogurt stays fresh in fridge while another is being used. You can use two ways. First way is to preheat air fryer with air fry, bake or reheat modes. Second way is with dehydrate mode. Let's see the first way. Now let's preheat the air fryer. Air fry or bake at 350 Fahrenheit for 1 minute or 375 Fahrenheit for 45 seconds or reheat mode at 280 Fahrenheit for 2 to 3 minutes. Thumb rule is higher the temperature, lesser the time. Idea is to keep air fryer little warm, not too hot. It is better to preheat without the yogurt bowl, as milk will be blown out with hot air circulation with fan. Timer is not what it shows on display. Follow the stopwatch timer. Oven type air fryer defaults to preheating for 4 to 5 minutes. We don't need that much hot for yogurt. Turn off the air fryer right after a minute. Now put the yogurt bowl. I prefer lid as it maintains warmth better. Second way is dehydrate mode at 170 Fahrenheit for 4 to 5 hours. The downside is it's more noisy, and air fryer needs to run continuously throughout 4 to 5 hours. Rather, I prefer the first way. Let's continue with this. Preheat 1 to 2 times in the middle with or without bowl. If you are preheating with bowl, use bake or reheat modes. As yogurt must have started setting a little, it's still okay. But make sure to take off the lid. Otherwise, without preheating takes little longer than 5 hours. For basket models, you can't see through the lid. So better to preheat without bowl to avoid milk spilling accidents. Daytime is the best time to make yogurt in air fryer to preheat in the middle. Plus room temperature will be hot during the day than night time. If you need to use air fryer in the middle, make sure to cool it down for 2 to 3 minutes by leaving air fryer lid open and resume yogurt setting. Shake the bowl a bit and see if yogurt is set fine. Yogurt will be done in 5 plus hours. Hope you like my idea and tips. See you again with many more awesome tips and healthy recipes. Thanks for watching.